Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're going to start by opening Excel and creating a new workbook right away. Sign in so files sync. Once signed in, tap the plus icon and choose blank or a template. Make sure touch mode is enabled for finger-friendly controls and set portrait or landscape depending on your layout. If you have an external keyboard, connect it now. It speeds entry and enables shortcuts. Once your sheet is open, name the file and save to OneDrive, so changes are preserved automatically. Now you'll enter data, apply formulas, and use touch navigation. Tap a cell to edit, type with the on-screen keyboard or your hardware keyboard. Start formulas with equals, select functions from the FX menu, and drag the fill handle to auto-fill sequences. To format, select Arrange and use the formatting toolbar for numbers, percent, and alignment. Use freeze panes to lock headers and apply filters for large tables. Pinch to zoom and swipe to scroll smoothly, while you refine layout and calculations. Finish by saving and sharing your workbook. Save to OneDrive so version history is available, export to PDF, or save a local copy if needed. Tap Share to send a link or attach the file. Set permissions for view or edit before you send. Double-check formulas, charts, and print layout in page view. If the app freezes or features act strangely, try clearing the app cache, checking for updates, and reinstalling if necessary. These steps resolve most tablet-specific issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.